Okay, now student, we will discuss page 133. Okay, page 133 we will discuss. Okay, now in this video we will discuss from top, from top. Okay, two option is given, A and B. So actually the picture is like this. Actually the picture is this is the picture. Okay, and in this picture, this is the deep drawing is given. It's a real picture. Okay, now by looking this picture we have to find the answer of question number A and question number B. Okay, so which is the answer if we see this, if you see this picture from the top. If you see this picture, see this making, if you see this making from the top, so how it look like? So definitely your answer will be B. If you see this picture from the top, if you see this picture from the top, then it will be like this picture. Okay, B. So B will be our correct answer. Now from the front, how it look like B? How it look like B? From the front, it will be like this. It will be like this picture. Okay, from the front. Okay, or you can say like this, from the front. From the front, this picture will be like this. Okay, now from side, how it look like? From the side, it will be like this. From the side it will be like this, or you can say it will be like this. It will be like this from the side. Now in question number 2, make a matchbox model which look like this. So student, you can make from your own. In your book it is given there. By using the matchbox you can make this type of model. Also make a deep drawing of the model in yours. So you can make a deep drawing also. Okay, by seeing this picture. How many cubes are needed to make this model? So we have to find, when you find or when you make this model, you have to calculate how many cubes or how many matchbox you use here. Okay, next, here are some drawings of the model. Mark the correct top view drawings with T and the correct side view drawing with S. Okay, so there are some drawings is given here. Okay, by using this, by using this is a from top view model. From top view model, it's the uh, front view model, and it is a side view model. So by using this you have to make a deep drawing, you have to make a model. Okay, but the models top view is given here, top view is given here, front view is given here, and side view is given here. By using this front view, side view and top view, you have to make a model and show me to my personal number by using this top view, front view and side view. Okay, now in the next a cube is given here. A cube is given here, and here are some drawings of the model. So here are some drawings of the model. Mark the correct top view drawings with T. Uh, 1 minute. So it is a drawing. Okay, and it is a drawing of some cubes. Okay, it is a drawing of some cubes is given here. So by seeing this picture, we have to find out of these four options, which options is look like a top drawing. So this is the top drawing. This is the top drawing. If we see this picture from top, so how it look like with this? So answer D will be our answer. Answer D will be our answer because it is look like the top drawing. And uh, side drawing, how it look like side drawing among these four pictures, among these three pictures, this picture is like a side because this and this. So this picture is like a side view. This B picture is like a side view of this model. Okay, so B is the S. We mark S of B option and T mark this option because it is a look like a T view, look like a top view, and this picture is look like a side view. Okay, so this chapter we completed, and now if you have any doubt, then you can tell me to my personal number. Okay, thank you. Next we will discuss the next chapter.